This two-step method is going to be the laziest way to make passive income on autopilot, and you can make as little as $100 per day and as much as $1,000 per day and more by doing this. Now, as you can see, this channel only has 11,000 subscribers, and yet they managed to get 4.6 million views on this video. Now, they only posted the video a few months ago. This shows you that you do not need a lot of subscribers to gain views, and you don't even need to speak in the video or show your face. No experience is required to start off with this, even if you are a beginner, and a big bonus is that there are no startup costs, as you can just use your laptop for this, meaning that you take 100% of the profits and there are no costs. Now, the more views means the more money that you receive. The reason why this video in particular was successful in a short period of time is because it wasn't using the typical rain imagery that most channels use on YouTube, and they got creative with the background, as Paris is a very scenic view and it's known for the city of love and romantic vibes. They also used the phrases "fall asleep instantly" and "cozy sounds" in the title to attract the viewer's attention. And as you can see from this video, this is exactly what they delivered, and they didn't make any sort of basic title that mainly other videos do. I'm going to show you how you can stand out from the rest and potentially blow up in views just like this video did. So now we are going to go to a website called Pixabay, which is free to use, and this website is going to provide you with the only two tools that you will need for your video. And the best part is that it's all copyright free, so that you can use material without any issues. All you have to do is pick a niche, whether that would be to do with meditation or nature videos or anything else. If you do want to get any inspiration to find out what you will do, just take a browse at some of the videos already on YouTube so that you can get an idea. But don't worry, I've already got you covered. I do have an example to go through with you. And type it in the search box, and then you'll pick which image or video stands out best for you. Now, in this case, I'm going to type in the word Florence, which is a city in Italy. Then it's going to bring up a search of all of the pictures and videos that you can choose, and that will be either in HD or 4K, which is to your benefit. Now, the higher the quality of the image or video, the more people that will click on your YouTube video and they will continue to play it. If you have a picture, doing the YouTube video will be much easier, as a picture is consistent. So all what you have to do when it comes to editing it is just extending the picture frame. But if you are using a video, then do check how long the timestamp is and how it runs for. This will save you a lot of time when editing the video. So I do suggest for you to pick up a video that is at least 40 seconds long, and anything over that is a bonus. Now, make sure that you come up with a title for your YouTube video whilst doing so in this process part of the stage, as it will be much easier for you to think of something creative. Now, in this example, I could use a title "Relaxation Sounds, Wind Down After Work with Views of the City." The more that you make your title unique, the more people that will be intrigued and click on your video than others, as it has a specific setting attached to it and it is something different and unique. Then once you have downloaded the photo or video of your choice, you then need to pick a soundtrack that is going to complement your YouTube video and that fits well with the theme. Now, you can play through a few of these, and we're going to use the same website again. So all you need to do is click on the sound effects part here, and then you can type in anything from rain sounds to fireplace sounds to wind sounds, and you can play through a few of these sound effects before you pick the right one, as it should really fit with the theme that you're trying to create. Now, once you have found that, you can then put your image or video and your soundtrack together in an editing software like iMovie, and the best part is that you can decide how much money you make. Now, you can make a 3-hour video like this channel has done, and you don't need to have lots of hours worth of content if that is too much for you. But if you do want to make more money, it is better to have more hours, extend the playtime, and essentially loop it. The easiest way I have found to do this is just by copying and pasting. This is why I mentioned earlier on that it is easier if you have a longer video to start off with, so that you can reduce the amount of time that you are copying and pasting. I now challenge you to make one video per week for the next 6 months using different niches to see how much money you can make. I want to see what ideas you currently have and what is your goal to achieve in the next 6 months in the comments down below. I look forward to hearing them all.